our Hmong, I guess, students now are doing a really good job of doing a good blend of mixing both traditional stuff with modern stuff too. So like with their natural talents right now with singing and dancing.
Dancing? We know how to dance. Don't we, Peter?
Our chance to dance.
I don't know if I want to see this.
What about maybe a culture that high dance that we could do like their party stuff? You want me to sing? You want me to say? I'll sing. So fun.
No, no, not that kind of dancing. No, not that kind of dancing.
This is too embarrassing. Let's go.
Okay, so we actually have the privilege of having some middle and high school girls from Stanley County come join us today. They are really, really good at their traditional dancing. They will stop while Okay, all right. At this time, please help me welcome Nkauj Hmoob Xaib. That's what they're called. whatever she would, I have no idea what that was, but